Think you've seen every kitchen gadget? These smart new products might surprise you. Stick around for number 5. This corner sink filter fits neatly over the corner of most kitchen sinks, helping catch food waste before it reaches the drain. The fine mesh design allows water to flow freely while making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Want to peel fruit faster with less effort? This one-touch fruit peeling machine automatically removes the skin from a variety of fruits with the press of a button, helping reduce prep time in the kitchen. Its adjustable peeling mechanism adapts to different fruit sizes, while the compact design is easy to use and clean. This foldable shopping bag features built-in wheels that quickly unfold, allowing it to switch from a lightweight tote to a convenient rolling cart in seconds. The spacious interior provides plenty of room for groceries, while the reusable design helps reduce the need for disposable bags. Want to make perfectly shaped kebabs in less time? This kebab maker helps you quickly prepare uniform meat skewers with minimal effort. Simply fill the mold, insert the skewers, press the lid, and create evenly sized kebabs ready for grilling. This 3-in-1 dumpling maker helps you press dough, add filling, and seal perfectly shaped dumplings with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle and simple press design make it easy to create consistent results, even for beginners. Want freshly ground ingredients whenever you need them? This manual grinder processes meat, vegetables, and more with a simple hand crank, giving you control over texture and freshness. Its sturdy design and suction base keep it stable for easier food preparation.